Hello everyone, today we'll explain how to ensuring playback synchronization across multiple servers during large-scale events. First, launch the Highlander S3 as the primary server and enable the primary follower management function. In this interface, you can associate other servers by adding their IP addresses within the local network. You can also set passwords for the servers, check device statuses, and view version numbers. The system offers two control modes, name control and sequence control. Once these settings are configured, the connection between the primary and follower servers is automatically established. In sequence control mode, if the primary server plays a specific program, the follower servers will synchronize and play the program in the same order. For example, in name control mode, if the primary server plays a program named Lang Lang, the follower servers will automatically play the program with the same name. In sequence control mode, if the primary server plays a specific program, the follower servers will synchronize and play the program in the same sequence. If you would like to learn more, feel free to contact us.